got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jasmine. So today, y'all, we are back with an exciting video. We're gonna be unboxing my pink iPad, and it's the 10th generation, y'all. I am so excited, and your girl need this because I've been trying to get my editing up to par. Okay, so yeah, y'all, I got my pink iPad. I got it off Amazon. I will put it up. Yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna be unboxing it with you guys today, and I'm also gonna be decorating it. So, just stay tuned for that. Y'all see the emblem? Y'all see it? It's the pink one, 10th generation. I got the 64 gigabyte. I didn't really need too much. As long as I have an SD card, I'm good. But yeah, so just go ahead and open it up.
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! SpongeBob, careful! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob!
Y'all, I was so scared to grab this out of the box because if you know me, I am very clumsy, and yeah, I'd be scared I'm gonna drop it. Definitely found no case on it. Yeah, y'all see the camera. The camera is pretty. It's very lightweight as well. But yeah, you guys, it always come with its essentials, the charging port and the charger. It also has some instructions, and of course the stickers, but I didn't get to show y'all that because I didn't realize till later. Yeah, just showing you all the functions and how you're supposed to use it. But I've been with Apple for a minute, so I know a little bit, some. But yeah, y'all see how clean this charger port is? We need to keep it like that because it's so hard to keep it like that. So shiny. Alright, so we also got a new charger. Y'all, it is clean, and we need another one because my other one is dusty. Of course, I'm not going to try to use this one first. I'm going to wait till my other one messes up because, I don't know, I just love looking at them. But yeah, y'all, so the moment we've been waiting for, the iPad. It is so clean and sleek. Like, I'm scared I'm going to drop it. Like, I'm trying to make sure I hold it with all grip because, yeah, your girl is clumsy. But y'all, look at how pretty it is and clean. It's just so beautiful. Your girl is finally a part of the club. Yeah, y'all, just going through the settings and setting up all the things that I need to set up. Of course, I'm not going to let y'all see all of it because it's going to ask for my password and stuff like that. So we're going to skip that part. But in the next clip, we're going to be decorating. Back, y'all. So here's the decorating part. I ended up buying a black case just from I forgot where I got it from. I think it was Walmart or either Target, just until the things that I ordered came in, because like I said, I'm clumsy and I was not gonna risk dropping it. So yeah, so everything that I got, I think I got it from Temu and AliExpress. So the case, I will definitely link all the stuff because I don't remember. But yeah, so I got a few things. I got the case. Of course, it had to be pink. And I also got a few more things, like a screen protector, a little pen, a cleaning tool. There's a few things, but this is like a screen protector that I can use for like my Apple Pen so that it doesn't scratch up my screen. I also got like this little stand so that I can prop it up whenever I want to watch something, or use it like a little laptop. Of course, in pink. I also got like this little cleaning tool set. It comes with a few little different accessories so I can clean my iPad. I can also use it for my phone as well. So yeah, it's gonna come in handy, and I'm definitely gonna use it during this tutorial. I got like this little pen for right now. I didn't want to buy an Apple Pencil right now, so I just got this off of Temu. And then I also got like a mouse, like a Bluetooth mouse. So yeah, that's all the things that I got right now. So I'm showing y'all the case and everything. Been trying to keep it clean and cute, ain't got no scratches, so your girl been doing her thing. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna get into is cleaning my iPad screen. So I'm taking out the little cleaning brush, getting that situated. With the spray bottle, you can either put water or alcohol in it. Some people don't recommend alcohol, but I need my screen to be clean, like bacteria free and everything. But yeah, y'all see it comes with that little tool. I don't really know what that's for, but yeah. I also got this little brush. It's like for your ports and stuff, so you can clean those. So y'all see it's like double-sided. It's like one with a rounded brush, and then the other side has like a silicone type of angle. Then the spray bottle, definitely gonna do that right now so I can clean the screen. It has this thing on the back that you can just wipe off all the water, and it also comes with a brush that you can push out. Yeah, so cleaning it with the brush. I don't know why I started without taking the case off, but we're just gonna go back over it. And so now I'm gonna use the spray bottle, spray it so that we can get the screen clean before I put my screen protector on. Alright, so now I'm gonna use the back to wipe off all the water. Y'all, that is so satisfying. Like, did y'all see how it took the water off? It's like a microfiber material on the back. Like, look how clean it got. Like, that's too cool to me. So now we're gonna go ahead and place this screen protector on. And y'all, I had a hard time putting this on because I hate the bubbles. So I probably went over it like 10 times just to make sure that there were no bubbles, no nothing. This is like the most frustrating part to me. So just going back over it again before I put it on. Like, y'all see what I mean? Like, that's take 1. Count that as take 2. Oh, there we go. See? I told y'all. We're going to do this a few times, so just bear with me. Alright, y'all, so I finally got it bubble free. So now we're going to peel the top off. And look how it's just so clean. And so, like I said, this screen protector isn't like a regular screen protector. This screen protector really feels like paper. So when you're writing, it's not just sliding. It feels like you're actually writing on paper, so it's easier. So now we're just going ahead and cleaning the rest of it off. Cleaning the iPads before I put it in the case. And we're just gonna pop it in there. Y'all, it looks so pretty. It is too cute. I'm gonna definitely get another case because I feel like the pink on pink is a lot, but you know, your girl love her some pink. And then I went ahead and peeled that protective film off the back as well. And I'm gonna take my cleaning tool and just go over it a little bit again because your girl is a little OCD. So I gotta make sure all the dust is gone. All of it. So I also got this desktop stand. I want to use my iPad as a little, like, you know, as a little laptop because my laptop screen is like black. I can't see nothing on it. I have to have a monitor. So hopefully this can help with taking it and, you know, being portable because I hate being stationary sometimes, you know, it gets annoying. So yeah, I got it and I can just prop the iPad up just like so. Oh, look at that, y'all. It's really sturdy too, like you have to like move it. I also got this pen. I'm gonna get an Apple pen later, but for right now I'm gonna use this. It still works just like it. I would say it doesn't do all the, you know, it don't do everything that an Apple pen is supposed to do, but I feel like it do what it needs to be done for the moment. You know, we're trying to be baddies on a budget, y'all. And then I also got this wireless mouse. You can connect it with the USB or Bluetooth. So that definitely is a game changer for real. But yeah, y'all, so this is all that I got for my iPad. I am so excited to use it, y'all. It is so many things I can do on it. So your girl gonna be coming through with some more edits and just a lot of different things, y'all. And I found that I can play DS games on it. So I'm gonna have to show y'all how to do that as well. But yeah, y'all, got my whole little setup. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe because your girl is going up. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I love you all. Make sure you guys stay blessed and your girl is out. Peace.